Bleh. And guys, in English version I call everything, almost everything, stuff. So you need a kind of stuff first to put it here for the rotation of the spool of the stuff. Yeah, so M12 would be perfect for this line, but for some reason I cannot use M12. I will soon explain. So I will use M10, and it is stainless steel in my case. Well, it's too long to show you. Okay, I will show you now why M12 doesn't work for me, because the next part you will need will be a kind of cone nut. I researched about definitions for this kind of stuff. Not exactly this one, because this is just the nut from the wheels, so I have different of them here. And it happened that I have this one. So the cone, which will perfectly works as a brake here, and will have a perfect diameter, not small, not big enough. So, and I happened to have, as I explained, another one is there, this one here. But this is, guys, from America. It's your standard, it's American one. I think it's 1.25, like M12, 1.25 pitch, at least this definition I know. So, and the metric is pitch, if I remember right, 2.5. So it doesn't fit here, because I was thinking first that I will put it here. Yeah, so, and then I design around this. But no, I don't want to make a new thread here. I don't want to break the thread here, and I cannot find this stuff. Let me know in comments how you call this stuff. I cannot find it for this thread. So I could search for another nut, but no in my city. That's why I'm going with M10, and you will see how. Well, guys, I think you already got the point and can give me a like. Yeah, so we have this tension here, and we put this nut. We don't screw it, we just put it free here. So we put the line this way. Yeah, of course it will be lower. Oh, no, not so low, sorry. So, and we fix it with standard M10 nuts here. No, this one. Yeah, so we put it from another side. I think you got the point. I will show you, of course, the final result, but that's how it goes. Well, guys, probably it's too early to like, because, well, what is the base where you put this shift, this stuff, this axle stuff? Let's call it stuff. Yeah, so any solution that you buy, it has a kind of base where then this stuff connected, and then the line there, and this base, if you put it just freestanding on the table, well, it doesn't work. You need to fix it either with screw or maybe put kind of stone there. So the base, what is the base? Well, first solution was, okay, let's kind of angle profile. Yeah, it's quite common to use probably. Well, then, okay, maybe I take a plate of a stuff of stainless steel metal, and then I do my own profile as I wish. And then I thought, well, maybe a kind of profile, angle profile for the shelf holders. You can put them like this, drill a hole. Well, it's quite a good base, and I even placed one to my basket in a shop, but then I rejected it. Because I found the following stuff. Isn't it a perfect base? Look at this, because I'm a lazy guy. I don't want to drill anything. I'm really lazy. So, and it is a ready base. It's a console to support some strong shelves, also from wood. Yeah, and look, guys, it's a perfect base. You either drill it here or you hold it here, doesn't matter, and you only need to decide on which side you want to put the line, on this or this one. Yeah, I have to meditate about this, but this is the solution I want to go with. I blamed profiles, angle profiles, but actually you can find the one like this one also is good for lazy guys like me. For example, like this one, or even that one, like this one. It's perfect. Yeah, I think now it's time to like. I improved a little bit this part. I put this kind of nut or knob so that you can rotate control clockwise with this wrench and with hands here, so they locked to each other. Otherwise you will have this rotating instead of that one. So I think a ball bearing here probably also will be a good option. And that's it. Now you can take it with you anywhere and connect it to any surface like table with these clamps, and you're ready to go.